We've been manufacturing bathrooms now for over 30 years, the leading manufacturer in the UK of bathroom furniture. We manufacture furniture for all sorts and sizes of bathrooms, going from the small cloakrooms to the large, luxurious bathrooms. We buy all the materials in from various places around Europe, but we do all the manufacturing and assembly and dispatch here from here in Bilston. Yeah, well, we've got several routes to market at Utopia, and one of them being contracts. So that's quite time sensitive, where we'll have an inquiry come in from the customer and we have to design and react and price back to the customer within a small timescale. And then if that price is accepted, we have to react with that and get it through production and out to the customer within a short frame time. So the SolidWorks and Swud has helped us do that by having everything set up already. So as soon as we get an order come in, we can find the right unit, change its size and shape, and issue the data that's needed quite quickly. So one of the areas where we could look at is bespoke bathroom furniture, where we have customer-specific designs. So they'll come in and visit our showroom. We could then use the Visualise software to develop visuals for them in order to finalise the design. Once that has been done, we can use the software then to program the machines downstairs, turn around concepts quite quickly in order to give the customer the furniture they want in a short timescale. So first of all, we'll generate the 3D model in SolidWorks. We'll then use Swud to do all the programming of the panels themselves, but also the CAD model will have associated data. So everything for the MRP system, we can use that then to feed the MRP system within the CAD data. Once we've got the 3D assembly, from that we can create a bill of materials within SolidWorks. We then use the design report function within Swud to generate an automatic spreadsheet, which is then used to import into our MRP system. So it removes a lot of the manual intervention, which eliminates or can reduce human error within the data. That data becomes more accurate, more consistent throughout the business as well, which obviously helps within other departments of the business. We also use the software to create production drawings, detailed production drawings, both of the panels and the assembly. So as we introduce new furniture into the business, we can use those assembly drawings to go down and explain to the guys on the assembly line how the furniture goes together, to give them a visual, but also a list of parts that go into that furniture as well. So one of our biggest challenges was to pull all that data together to make it consistent so that it helps improve manufacturing efficiencies. Another big challenge that we had was the link between our CAD data and the MRP system. So it was quite labour intensive to get the data into the MRP system. So we've now bridged that gap or resolved that by automating that process from the CAD data. The machines that we have downstairs, the majority of them are NC controlled, but the way we had the programs created was manually. So a guy would take our drawings, if they were available, and manually create the programs. One of the issues that we have downstairs is that some of our machines have different operating systems, so it means different file formats, etc. So it was quite a task to manage all of those different file types from a manual perspective. We overcame that with the Swud environment because we have several processors developed for each machine downstairs. So using the CAD data, we can generate the report for almost any machine downstairs now automatically straight from the CAD data. So it's all managed. So any changes that we do, we can quickly update the machine programs by a few clicks of a button rather than waiting for a guy to have to go down and manually update them. And then when we introduced Swud, we had some training from Solid Solutions, and then we quickly picked that up and found our feet quite quickly, really. And since then, we've developed it by using more of the advanced techniques, by creating our own connectors, our own SWOD boxes, frames and things like that as well. So the transition was relatively painless, I would say. The training and support we've had from that has been fantastic. You know, we send an email off, and within an hour we either get a phone call or an email back. We use TeamViewer quite a lot, so they can share screens to see what issues we're having firsthand and almost fix the problem there and then, if possible. But if not, you know, the guys will go away and we'll get an answer relatively quick, certainly as quick as we would expect it. It has been really good support.